Well, I want to leave this on an upbeat note. The upbeat note is that we have a very bright energy future in the United States and across the world. Interesting image here of the continent of Africa at night. 1 billion people on the continent, and as you can see, there aren't many lights on. They don't have much electricity. You can compare that with Europe up at the top and India over on the right. Here's an interesting picture from Guinea, West Africa. These young men come to read by the airport lights at night because they don't have electricity at home. Well, the good news is that these people are going to get their electricity. We're going to have low-cost hydrocarbons for centuries. A study by the U.S. Energy Administration just a couple years ago concluded the world's shale gas and shale oil resource base is vast. This is the rock formation that the new shale shock is able to get oil and gas from. And it's just started in the United States. It's already dropped world oil prices. There are shale basins all over the world. And we're going to have future electricity growth. It's going to double by 2050 in the developing world. And even the U.S. electricity is going to go up. Where did I put my cell phone? And the reason is this thing, a couple of years ago, was sort of fun. I asked for a road atlas from my family. My son goes, "Dad, you're so archaic." Well, since then I've joined the 21st century, got myself a smartphone, become addicted to the GPS function. But folks, it's interesting. If a teen does a lot of texting on one of these, not much energy in this, but when you count the Wi-Fi networks, the cellular networks, the servers, the storage, the switching, you use about 2 refrigerators worth of electricity with one of these things. So the electricity use is going to continue to rise. And we have 1 billion automobiles today across the world. That's going to rise to 2 billion in the next 40 years, buoyed by low-cost, that's Billings, by low-cost hydrocarbons. Low-cost energy is the key to our prosperity, from getting developed nations, electricity to developing nations, desalinization of fresh water, all the other things that drive our modern society.